Okay, if you want to append an item, you can do that with an append method. Let's see, we can do this by, let's do this. This is my wrist. My wrist dot append. Let's append Raymond. Okay, and now let's print our wrist. My wrist. Okay, let's go and save this. Okay, we can see our new wrist has Raymond. Okay, you can also try to insert an element to a specific position. You can do that by using the insert method. Let's say my wrist dot insert. Let's try to insert at position 1. Let's try to insert cherry. It should be a string. Cherry. Let's print my wrist. Okay, go and save this. Okay, you can see at this position 0, this position 1, we have inserted cherry.